Boom shakalaka, welcome back to the Austinautomates YouTube channel. In this video, I show businesses why speed to lead is so important, that you can add an AI employee into your business that can help you engage with leads super quick, pre-qualify them, and increase your conversion rates. We go over two things. One, something you might already know, and two, the second thing you might not know about Facebook ads that might make you a little bit angry. So let's just dive right in. Okay, so here's the first thing that you probably already know and why speed to lead is so important. There was a Harvard Business Review study done that shows the importance of speed to lead. And one very specific study shows that companies with a lead response time of 1 minute were 391% more likely to convert prospects. And companies that did not respond to leads within 5 minutes had an 8-time greater chance of losing that customer. And why is this? Because when most people are looking for a business, they'll reach out to one, and if they don't get a response, they just reach out to the next one. Now, this right here is the Facebook ads library, and I'm going to share something with you that you might not know about Facebook ads that might make you a little angry. This right here is a live screen recording of me opting in through a local chiropractor's Facebook ad. I fill out all the information, I go through the process of opting in and hitting submit, and within 1 to 2 posts later from scrolling, I am then shown another chiropractor's offer that I can opt into. Now, why does that happen? Because by clicking on that first Facebook ad and filling it out, I let Facebook know that I am looking for a chiropractor in my area. Facebook makes its money by helping businesses that are running ads find people that are interested in that business's product or service. They do not make money when you convert those leads into paying customers. So it makes sense for them to double dip in a way and show me competitors' ads that are basically offering something similar. And they're just like, may the best man win. This is where AI can help. What we do is we set up an AI employee that will actually engage with leads within that 60-second time frame of people opting in through your Facebook ad. You can see here it says, I noticed you reached out through Facebook ad. How long have you been experiencing pain? For about 6 weeks. And what we can do is we can train the AI assistant to pre-qualify these leads however you want. And you can see it says, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me exactly where you're feeling pain? And I responded letting it know that the pain is in my neck. Right now, the prospect feels like it's being engaged with someone from the chiropractic's office. Neck pain can be really tough to deal with. Have you had any previous treatments or seen a chiropractor before? This is my first time. And it says, it's great that you're considering chiropractic care. Would you like to schedule a 15-minute phone appointment to discuss how we can help go over your special offer? We can have it say whatever it is you want it to say there, but the goal is to get rid of the tire kickers, the wrong numbers, and make sure that the person at the front desk knows exactly who they need to reach out to first. At the end of the day, it's not really a business's fault all the time that they can't engage with a lead within that first 60 seconds because the front desk person may need to go to the bathroom. The lead might come in after hours. The person making the outbound phone calls, calling the leads, may already be on the phone with a potential customer when a lead comes in. We never know the situation, but what we do know is if we put an AI employee in place, what it does is, like I said, remove the tire kickers and the wrong numbers and make sure that lead is getting engaged within that first 60 seconds, keeping the conversion rate high, and then letting the office know who exactly needs to be reached out to first. So this is step by step how we have an AI employee make sure that you are getting the top conversion rates that you're looking for. And that is step by step why speed to lead is so important and the solution that you can add an AI employee into your business that can help you engage with leads super quick, pre-qualify them, and increase your conversion rates. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments below. If you need any help setting something like this up, go ahead and send me an email at austinautomates@gmail.com and I'd be happy to help. You guys have a great rest of the day and I'll see you in future trainings.